Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain topic 2.0 Design a Solution. The focus on this topic is control structure. What is control structure? A control structure is a block of programming that analyzes variables and chooses a direction in which to go based on given parameters. It shows the logical order of program instruction. Before we prepare an algorithm, we need to identify the control structure for the given problem statement. Here is the three control structure or logic structures that you must consider to describe an algorithm: sequence, selection, and repetition. Sequence or sequential logic structure is a series of statements that execute one after another or process data one instruction after another. The selection or decision logic structure statement is used to determine which of two different statements to execute depending on certain conditions or to program the computer to make choices. The repetition or loop logic structure statement is used to repeat statements while certain conditions are met or enables computer to repeat tasks. While we need to identify the control structure before we proceed with another step. This is because the way to write the problem analysis and algorithm are different according to the type of control structure. We are going to discuss more about sequence control structure. This is an example of algorithm in our daily life that relates with sequence control structure. How to prepare a cup of coffee? Maybe some of you still do not know how to prepare coffee. Here I share with you the step-by-step instruction in sequence order to prepare a cup of coffee. Start. Boil water. Prepare a cup. Put a teaspoon of coffee and sugar. Pour hot water. Stir and stop. Many things that we do in our daily life are related with algorithm. Now, we go to example 1. The problem statement is calculate the sale price of a book after given 40% discount. First, you need to identify the control structure. From the problem statement given, we found that there is no condition, no different statement needs to be executed, and no statement needs to be repeated. So, the control structure for this problem statement is sequence control structure. After we know the control structure, we can do the problem analysis. Here is the way to write the IPO analysis. You can start with identify the output, then process, then input. After that, we can go to the next step, which is prepare an algorithm. This is the way to write pseudocode and flowchart for sequence control structure. For pseudocode, don't forget to put start and stop. In between start and stop, put the input statement, process statement, which is formula, followed by output statement. You can write the formula in your own way as long as its logic and can produce the correct output. And this is the flowchart. Make sure you use the correct symbol to represent input, process, and output, and also the terminal symbol. All the statements will be performed one after another. No statement will be skipped and no statement will be repeated. Example 2. The problem statement given is calculate the shaded area for the figure below. Identify the control structure. From the problem statement given, we found that there is no condition, no different statement needs to be executed, and no statement need to be repeated. So, the control structure for this problem statement is sequence. Then, do IPO analysis. Next step, prepare an algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart. Example 3, problem statement given. Read 3 numbers and print their sum and average. Identify the control structure. Do problem analysis. Here I write the IPO analysis in form of chart. Don't forget to label the table, input, process and output. Prepare algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart. So the summary are: the sequence or sequential logic structure is a series of statements that execute one after another or process data one instruction after another. This is the general format for pseudocode, and this is general format to draw a flowchart. That's all. Thank you.